It is important to carefully define exactly who is an applicant and who is not, because many employers are required to track and report applicant information to comply with equal employment and affirmative action plans. Applicant record keeping is the maintenance of a history of applicants and the application process. It is useful to develop an applicant tracking system when considering the applicant pool. Using such a system can make the recruitment process more effective. Employers must collect data on applicant race, sex, and other demographics to fulfill EEO reporting requirements. Many employers ask applicants to provide EEOC reporting data on a separate form that may be attached to the application form. To avoid claims of impropriety, it's important that employers review and store this information separately and not use it in any selection decisions. Since completing the form is voluntary, employers can demonstrate that they've tried to obtain the data. An applicant tracking system, or ATS, is a software application that enables the electronic handling of recruitment needs. An ATS can be implemented or accessed online, depending on the needs of the organization. There's also free and open source ATS software available.